Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to adjust spacing of text box in Google Docs. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps, then create your document. Now you can see here are my document with text box. Now I adjust spacing of this text box. At first, you have to select this text box. Then click edit option. Then you can see here a drawing option. Now again select this text box and select to this alt text to drag on your mouse. Now click this more option three dot. Now you can see here are line and paragraph spacing option. Just press it. Now I can make it 1.5. Now press save and close. Now you can see I adjust spacing of text box in Google Docs very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks.